there, I'm Sarah with WTI. Do you like rocking out in the shower as much as I do? Then I want to show you this cell phone holder that's going to help you do that.
This shower phone mount is absolutely awesome. I just love it. It's so functional, it's so easy to use, and listen to this sound. There's a lot of things that I love about it. I love that you can scroll. I can even text while I'm in the shower. This is our family chat talking about our dog, but I can reply and press send with no problem at all. That is fantastic. So I can take a shower, my kids can be in the living room, and I can still see what they're up to. So I wanted to show you just how waterproof it is. I have dumped a cup of water on this phone, and then when you open it up and take the cell phone out, there's not a drop of water on it. There are some cracks in the screen because this is my son's phone, but there's no water, and that is fantastic. So you know that your electronic is safe in there. Another thing I really love about it is how easy it is to install. It comes with this sticker and it's got hooks built into it. It's not going anywhere. You clip the cell phone holder on there and you are ready to rock.
So this thing is just fantastic. I am rocking out like crazy. I love the way it sounds in my shower, but that's just my point of view.